Hey, Madison College students, it's Temple. If you've been in my classes, you've probably heard me talk about Notion. I get a lot of questions about how, why, and when to use it, so in this video, I'll show you how it can help you manage your coursework better. Okay, let's start with what exactly Notion is. Notion is a digital workspace you can use to take notes, manage tasks, store information, and collaborate, all in one place. It's designed to keep everything organized and accessible. I call it your central source of truth. And as for why you want to use Notion, using Notion means having one place to manage all your tasks and information, reducing the need to switch between multiple apps like Google Docs, Microsoft Word, OneNote, or any other app you may be using. By consolidating everything in one place, you save time and avoid the hassle of juggling different tools. Notion also offers a wide range of integrations with other apps to keep your workflow seamless. It also has customizable templates for repetitive tasks, and you can organize your pages in a way that fits your workflow. You're not tied down to that style either. You can change them as needed per page. This helps you complete routine tasks faster and with less effort. Oh yeah, and did I mention it's free and kicks ass? Before we get started though, let's walk through how to create an account in Notion. First, head over to notion.so. If you have an account already, just log in. But if you haven't used Notion before, select this Get Notion Free button. You'll need to enter your email. I recommend using a personal email address, one you'll keep forever, so avoid using your @madisoncollege.edu email. You will need to verify your email address, so let's do that too. Now, you can add a profile image, set your preferred name, and pick a password. If you don't want marketing messages, make sure you opt out by unchecking this box and then continue. Go ahead and select an option here that makes the most sense for you. I will select for school and then continue. Here you can pick any options you might want or just skip for now. I am going to skip this so we can get started. When your Notion first loads, you might see a lot of stuff over here, but ignore that for now. It's just noise, and we're focused on crushing a different setup. You can explore those options later. For now, hover over the private section and click on the plus sign. This will add a page. In Notion, pages are the fundamental building blocks where you store and organize your content. A page can contain text, images, databases, lists, tables, calendars, embedded files, and more. It's like a blank, flexible canvas. I will start by setting up a main page, which I will call my operating system. This will be the central hub to manage everything, from work to personal tasks or school. I want to personalize my page too, so I will add an icon. Let's go with the brain. And I want to add a cover, so I can either upload my own or pick something from Unsplash. I will just type in operating system and pick this one. Okay, now let's get down to business. In my operating system, I want to direct my attention into one of a few places, for example, school, work, or personal. So I will create 3 pages here by clicking on the canvas, typing /, and then page. I will title this first one School. Then I will go back to my operating system and repeat this process, this time naming the page Work. And then one more time, naming the page Personal. Notice how these pages are in a hierarchical structure? Let's head back over to our school page. Let's decorate this page with an icon and cover to differentiate it from our operating system. You can pick whatever resonates with you. Now, the same way we created subpages inside of our operating system, we can create subpages inside of our school. Let's say you are taking some of my courses, AI Fundamentals, Website Development, and Agile Practices. I will create 3 pages, one for each course, using that same / and by selecting or typing page. I will add icons and covers for those too. Now that we have the idea of how to create pages and subpages, let's look at what we can do on the course pages themselves. Let's say I want to have sections on my page that will break down my notes for each week by the week. I will again use the /, and this time I will pick heading 1 and type in week 1. I can change the color of the background or the text color or both. Notice again how our side panel is organizing our content. I can quickly navigate to other pages, and I can even open them in another tab. Look at all of these different options too. These are called blocks. You can create a to-do list, add headings, toggle lists, and one of my personal favorites, code snippets. This is barely scratching the surface of what this tool can do. I encourage you to explore your own instance of Notion even more. There are many videos out there that you can watch on YouTube, and I highly recommend spending a little time to set yours up to work for you. You can embed files, links, images, databases, and more. You can create impressive to-do lists, calendars, reminders, and so many more things than I can possibly name in this video. So I will build out this page example with this video paused. And there you have it, just one of a zillion ways a page can be organized. Anyway, I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know.